Hi, I'm Miss Megan from Cooper-Siegel Community Library, and this is DIY STEAM. This week we are making monster bookmarks. They hold your page and they look like that. Let's find out how to do it. Okay, this is what you have in your kit. You have your monster bookmark template and some sticker eyes and some different colors of paper. You're going to want to track down some glue and scissors and a pencil and probably some pens or some crayons, and then you're all set. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your monster bookmark template and cut out these two shapes. So once you have them cut out, they'll look like that. And then you are going to want to decide what color paper you want to be the body of your monster and what color paper you want to be the inside of their mouth. So I'm going to choose the pink for the inside of the mouth, and you can see that I have traced the square that becomes the inside of the mouth on my piece of paper. And I'm going to use the green for the monster's face. And I've done the same thing. I've traced that on there. You are then going to cut those two pieces out. Here we go. And you are going to carefully fold your monster face. So you're going to want to fold so that you're making a square. So you're going to fold that triangle down to make this part of the square. And then fold the other triangle down to make the other side of your square. And then what you've done is you've formed a little pocket. So you can take your glue and glue the top triangle to the bottom triangle to make your pocket. And there you are, and you are all ready to create your face. I am going to now glue this pink piece for my monster's mouth. Stick it in there. And there my monster has a mouth. Let's see, my monster probably wants to have a tongue. Let's give my monster a tongue. There we go. And then you can just start decorating your monster and adding other little pieces. So I've cut out some teeth. I'm going to glue on some teeth to my monster. There we go. Now my monster has 2 teeth. Ooh, and maybe some hair. Put some hair on my monster. There is some hair for my monster. And let's see, I think my monster is going to have a whole bunch of different eyes. Let's see, can I fit one more on? Maybe. There we go. And there is my monster bookmark. So once you have it all set, you can take whatever book you're reading and mark what page you're on with your monster bookmark, like that. These also work great as gifts. I hope you have fun making your monster bookmark. I wanted to remind everyone that summer learning starts really soon. It's going to start June 5th, and you can start pre-registering June 1st. More information is on the handout that's in your kit. Take care. Bye.